Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is our next problem having been chosen from the same book Modern Physics by Stephen T. Thornton and Andrew Rex. As usual, we first come to its statement. Okay, a proton and an antiproton are moving toward each other in a head-on collision. If each has a speed of 0.8 c, where c is speed of light, with respect to the collision point, how fast are they moving with respect to each other? Okay, a proton and an antiproton are moving toward each other in a head-on collision. If each has a speed of 0.8 c with respect to the collision point, how fast are they moving with respect to each other? Dear students, now we are going to its solution part, but before starting our solution in a proper manner, we are going to introduce a few snapshots which will provide us a foundation regarding the solution of this problem. Okay, these snapshots have also been discussed in some other problems, but those problems were either from the book Modern Physics by Paul A. Tipler or by Kenneth S. Crane, while now we are going to choose problems from the Stephen T. Thornton and Andrew Rex book. Okay, dear students, this snapshot says the relativistic form of the Lorentz velocity transformation equation is u dash x is equal to ux minus v over 1 minus ux v over c square. Equation number so and so. I do not remember for the time being from which book this snapshot has been chosen. I think perhaps this is Physics for Scientists and Engineers by Gianni Mosca. Okay, where u dash x is the x component of the velocity of an object as measured in the s dash frame, and ux is its component as measured in the s frame. Okay, s frame and s dash frame. Okay, two inertial frames. Or second snapshot is an alternate version of the above philosophy in some different form or pattern, and this snapshot has been chosen from some other book. Okay, this snapshot says the relativistic form of the velocity transformation is u dash x is equal to ux minus v over 1 minus ux v over c square, where ux is the speed of an object as measured in the s frame, and u dash x is its speed measured in the s dash frame. Okay, so dear students, these two alternate or equivalent snapshots provide us a sufficient foundation, provide us a sufficient ground for understanding and solving this problem. Okay, we will just decide which given value falls under which of these, and then we will put these values in this equation or expression, and our result will become okay, will appear. Okay, so using using u dash x equal to ux minus v over 1 minus v ux over c square. We have given this expression name equation number 1. Okay, putting ux equal to 0.8 c, where c is speed of light, 3.0 into 10 to power 8 meter per second, or sometimes 2.998 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. According to the given situation, ux is equal to, so when ux is equal to so, then v will be the minus negative of the same. Okay, as per given situation in the statement, we can easily decide that value of ux is 0.8 c, which is provided in the statement, and value of v will be the same speed in opposite direction, that is v equal to minus 0.8 c. Okay, putting these two values in equation number 1, we get what we get: u dash x equal to 0.8 c minus 0.8 c divided by 1 minus 0.8 c into plus 0.8 c over c square. Dear students, in the numerator these two will be added because minus is being multiplied with minus, and we know that when multiplying signs are similar, same, then result is always positive, and while multiplying signs are different, their result is always negative. Okay, so in the numerator as well as in the denominator, positive sign, plus sign will prevail. According to the basic philosophy of mathematics, that when two multiplying signs are similar, their result will be positive, while when two multiplying signs are different, their result will be minus or negative. Okay, so 0.8 c plus 0.8 c over 1 plus 0.64. okay, when we will multiply these two, we will get 0.64. Moreover, dear students, in the denominator, this c into c, this will become c square, and this c square will be cancelled with this c square. Okay, and hence c will appear only in the numerator. Okay, so these two when added, they will become 1.6 c, and in the denominator these two values will be added, and we will get 1.64. okay, after simplification, our u dash x will become equal to 0.97 c, where c is the speed of light. And this is the end of our problem. This is the end of our video. Till next video, Allah Hafiz.